Hello everyone and welcome to my vlog. And yes, meron na naman tayong isang discovery na product that will give us a Korean glow glass skin with just one product. And yes, eto na nga, may na-discover akong bagong product na magbibigay sa atin ng Korean glow glass skin. And guess what? Isang step lang siya. This is a one-step product that is very easy. Kaya lang hindi yata siya available sa mga regular supermarkets and groceries or mga beauty stores. Kasi nabili ko lang siya sa membership store. Okay, it is a Pond's Rejuveness Anti-Wrinkle Cream. Ewan ko lang kung meron ito sa mga Pond's outlets. Pero sa membership stores meron siya. Okay, I got it for $499 sa SNR alongside with other products na binili ko. So okay, ang mura diba? See, ang laki ng tub. It's 400 grams. Just imagine kung ilang months nyo to gagamitin sa sobrang laki. Kasi usually yung binibili natin na mga Olay, it's 50 grams lang yung ganyan. Ang konti na ng laman nun, that is good for mga 3 to 4 weeks lang. So this one, I guess maglalast to ng mga 4 months siguro. Anyway, how do I use this? I use this every morning after I cleanse my face or after I take a shower and before bedtime. The same after I take a shower and after I go to sleep. So, very minimal lang. Parang dab lang dito. See? Yes, i-dab mo lang ng ganyan. Dito. Tapos sa neck, massage it upwards. Very light. Very light massage. Tapos yun na, okay na. For 2 weeks, then you will see the difference. I already used this for 2 weeks and yes, na-achieve naman niya yung glass skin na gusto kong ma-achieve at pinramis ni Pond's kasi this is anti-wrinkle din eh. So, anti-wrinkle, it will make your skin plumper. It will give us glass skin. Iwasan nyo talaga yung sunlight. Ma-achieve nyo yung glass skin pag ginamit nyo to. Tsaka wag kayo masyadong magbilad sa araw, okay? So, ayun, plumper, wrinkle-free. Actually, hindi naman siya sobrang wrinkle-free. Parang, ano lang siya, minimize lang niya yung mga very light wrinkle na nag-start na sa ating mga face, especially if you are 30 and above yan. So, at the same time, it's a moisturizer. It's a non-greasy, it won't clog your pores, and it's dermatologist tested. So, ang directions niya is after cleansing, apply to face and neck twice daily for delicate skin, 10 to 15 minutes after cleansing to avoid potential tingling sensation. So, pag medyo manipis yung ating skin sa face at nag-wash tayo ng facial wash na the usual na ginagamit natin, mas maganda, we wait lang ng mga 10 to 15 minutes before we apply this para hindi mahapdi. For 2 weeks, ginamit ko na siya and okay naman, diba? Kasi before talagang hindi ako hiyang sa mga products ng Pond's na mga nakikita ko dyan over the counter. Pero tinry ko at okay naman na pala. Minsan kasi nagbabago din yung body chemistry natin. Minsan yung hindi natin hiyang nun is okay na pala ngayon. At yung minsan yung nakasanayan natin gamitin ngayon, parang hindi na siya masyadong okay. Try naman ulit tayo ng bago. So this Pond's Rejuveness Anti-Wrinkle Cream for $4.99. It will give you a Korean glass skin glow with just one step. Yun lang ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Another product find. You can get it from SNR and yes, you can check out Pond's website. Saan pa siyang store available locally dito sa Philippines. Okay, so till next vlog and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Bye!